this tutorial, we are going to show you how to split the SSID for your TP-Link Archer GE800 BE19000 tri-band Wi-Fi 7 gaming router. Now by default, during the setup, there will only be one SSID. So splitting the SSID has the advantages if you have got other devices that supports only 2.4 GHz, such as printers or webcams. So from your computer, open a browser and go to the following IP address. This will bring up the web interface for your router. Now key in the local password that you have set up the router with. So once logged in, you will see the web interface. To split the SSID, go to Wireless. You can see the SSID for 2.45 GHz as well as the 6 GHz. So to split, first you need to disable the Smart Connect. Next, let's change the SSID or network name for your 2.4. We'll call it Tech Tips 24. Security, we will leave it as is. Now for the password, we will use our own password. We will leave the channel width, channel and mode as is. Let's move on to 5 GHz. Once again, we will change the SSID to Tech Tips 5. And the password, we will use the same as what we had for the 2.4. Finally, we'll change the network name for the 6 GHz. And we'll use the same password. Once all the settings are keyed in, let's save. You'll notice that once the settings are applied successfully, your computer will be disconnected. You need to connect to the network using the new SSID and password. So let's connect back to our network. We'll connect to the Tech Tips 5. Make sure that you key in the correct password. And you're connected. So this is how you change the SSID and password for your TP-Link Archer GE800 BE19000 tri-band Wi-Fi 7 gaming router.